Hello, here is the task that I need done. I have a particular software package that I need to extract. Fuck. Hello, I need data extracted from a particular software package. The software is free to download and I can easily send you the data that I need extracted, so that's no problem. Right here on the left-hand side is an image of that software package. What I essentially need done is I go to File, Open Competition. Here's a list of all of the events that I need the data extracted from. There's about 150 in here. I'm just going to go ahead and click on the first one. And what I do is I do a copy, so I do a Control-C. I go over to Excel. I paste that information in. Then I go back over here. I open that one by double-clicking. I'll go in here. This is the data that I need, is all the data that's in here. So I can just go ahead and click in here anywhere. I do a Control-A to select all, and then I do a Control-C to copy. I go back over to Excel. I paste that in column B. And then I take that first row and I copy that down because I need that for each one of those that's in there. And then that's essentially what I do. Now, if I go to extract the next set of data, I simply go to File, Open. For instance, so I just did that one. If I want to do this one, I'll click on that, and I'll do the same thing over again. So it's copy, go over to Excel, I paste that information, then I open that one, I go over to here, I select it all, copy it, go into Excel, go into this column, paste it. Of course, I wanted to take that row and copy it down so that I have that information in there. I go down, and essentially I do the same thing over and over again. So that's what I need done. If you can let me know what you think, I'd appreciate it. Thanks. Hello, I have a particular software package that I need some data extracted from. The software package is called OR, that's right here. This is freeware software, and I can easily send you the data zipped up that you can just extract in the directory so you have it on your end. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you an example of the data that I need extracted. I'll show you an example of how I do it in Excel manually. So in the software, if I go to File, Open, and here is a list of all of the events that I need the data extracted from. So I am just going to go ahead and select the first one. Now what I do is I do a copy, and that copies the text here. I go into Excel and I paste that in. I'm going to go back to the software. I'm going to go ahead and open that one up. And the data that I need extracted is all in this area. So I'm just going to go ahead and click in there, and I do a Control-A to select all, and I do a Control-C to copy. I go back to Excel, go over to column B, I paste that information in there, and I go to column A, double click, I copy it down because that's the information that I need along with that. I'm just going to go ahead and scroll down here a little bit, and that's essentially exactly what I need. So if I were to do the next one, I will go to File, Open. So I did that first one, so I go to the second one, I do a copy, go over to Excel, I paste it in that row, I go back to the OR software, double click on it. Again, this is the information I need in here, so I just click and I do a Control-A to select all, a Control-C to copy, go back to Excel, go to column B, paste that information in, go to this column, double click to copy it down, and that's essentially what I need done over and over again to those about 150 records that are in this OR software. Let me know what you think. Thanks.